Dear students, next question from NEET 2017 from Wave chapter. See the question: two cars moving in opposite direction. Okay, two cars moving in opposite direction. It approach each other. Okay, it approach each other with the speed of the first car 22 meter per second and another car 16.5 meter per second respectively. Okay, so the direction of the first car, the driver of the first car blows a horn having the frequency 400 Hz. Okay, the frequency heard by the driver of the second car is asking. Now, generally the velocity of sound in air is given, that is 340 meter per second. Okay, see that how to approach this question. Okay, with the help of the diagram, I think it is better. First, the two car. It is the first car. Okay, so please listen. It is the first car. It's the first car. Okay, the first car traveling this direction. Okay, so this velocity of first car is given, that is 22 meter per second. Okay, 22 meter per second. Okay, so this car is then approach with one more car. Okay, so one more car will come in opposite direction. So the second car velocity is given, that is 16.5 meter per second. So velocity of the second car. So please listen. So the velocity of the second car. So it will come in opposite direction. Okay, the velocity of the second car is given, that is 16.5 meter per second. Okay, right. After that, the driver of the first car here. Okay, so it is the first car. So I represent here 1. This is 2. Okay, so the driver of the first car blows a horn with the frequency 400 Hz. Okay, so he made the horn. Okay, so this car to making some sound, so simply mention here. Okay, it is mentioned for sound. Okay, simply, so it is a sound. Okay, the sound. Okay, it's a sound. Okay, so please see that the driver of the first car blows a horn with the frequency 400. Okay, so it's a 400 Hz, the sound to approach the second car. Okay, so it is 400 Hz sound. Okay, so this is to approach the second car. Okay, it will be heard by the frequency of so this frequency, this 400 frequency is heard by the second car. I mean, the actual frequency is 400 Hz. Okay, the producing frequency is 400 Hz, but actually that second car driver is heard some other frequency because there is apparent change in frequency. That apparent change in frequency only asking. Actually, original frequency I can write N0. That is the original frequency. That is a 400 Hz. Apparent change in frequency, that is asking. That is N dash. Okay. So N dash is asking. That is a question. Okay. Then how to approach this question? So there is a change in frequency. But there is an apparent change in frequency between source and observer. So now I consider as the first driver or first vehicle, that is source. Okay, then second driver only observe the sound. So this is observer. It is observer, I consider. So that first source velocity. Source velocity is the driver velocity or first car velocity same. So 22 meter per second. So 22 meter per second, that is the source velocity, that is Vs. Vs value is equal to 22 meter per second. Okay, so Vs value is equal to 22 meter per second. Then this one observer velocity. Okay, observer velocity is V0, that is 16.5. So observer velocity 16.5 meter per second. Okay. Now, how to approach and how to find that apparent change in frequency. So you know very well, in from the Doppler effect. Okay, by using the Doppler effect, we can find apparent change in frequency. So what is Doppler effect? If there is a relative motion between the observer and the source, there is change in frequency. So there is a change in frequency or apparent frequency between source and observer due to its relative motion. Due to the relative motion between them. Okay, so what is that formula? So apparent change in frequency formula, apparent change in frequency is equal to, that is new frequency is equal to, okay, the relative velocity of observer with respect to sound divided by relative velocity of source with respect to the sound, then into original frequency. This is the formula. Please listen, students. Apparent change in frequency is equal to relative velocity of observer with respect to the sound velocity in air to the relative velocity of the source with respect to the sound velocity in air into original frequency. This is the formula. But if you observe that here, the source moves towards the observer as well as observer also moves towards the source. Okay? So anyhow, that sound frequency will be increasing because both will be close to each other. Okay, so this formula we can write. So the apparent change in frequency, generally it should be more than 400 only will come. There is no doubt. Because it will be approach to each other. So if you observe the question also, maybe 411 possibilities there, then 448 is possibilities there. Okay, but we can see that therefore n dash is equal to, see that here both will be close to each other, so entire sound will be increasing, sound frequency is increasing. So numerator increasing, n dash also increasing. So C plus V naught. Then denominator is minus means n dash value will be increasing. So here as it is. Okay? Into n naught. So n dash is equal to C value. C value you know that is 340. 340 minus V naught value, that is 16.5. So you know here plus symbol. Then divide by C value, that is 340. Then minus Vs value. Vs value you know that is a 22 meter per second. Then into original frequency you know that is actual frequency, that is a 400. Therefore n dash is equal to, this is you know that is a 356.5 divided by 340 minus 22, that is 318. Okay, so into then 400. Therefore n dash is equal to actually 356.5 divided by 318, that is equal to 1.21 into 400. Okay, so therefore n dash is equal to its multiplication value, that is 448.4 will come. Okay, so this is apparent change in frequency. Okay, so just to observe that two vehicles traveling in opposite direction. This is source, this is observer. Okay, the source actual frequency is 400. Where it is close to the observer, observer feel more frequency. Okay, so that apparent change in frequency only, that is 448.4 Hz. So this is matched with the option C, that is 448 Hz. Okay, thank you.